Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this little trick I learned how to get some rust off of your car. It's starting right here a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but easy way to do it is just use some tin foil and some water. Just pour a little bit of water on there, and then just regular tin foil and scrub. And you're going to want a rag too to wipe it away, but alright, you can see it's getting a lot better. After you get the rust off, obviously you want to use some touch-up paint, cover it up so it stops rusting. But there you go. See if this focuses. No more rust. It started out like that. Some surface rust is just starting. And there we go.